much for clicking on this video. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my cooking rubric. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome stuffed chicken thighs with cream cheese filling and asparagus. And if you are interested in such content, then please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the bell so that you get notifications every Friday. Stay tuned. So you're going to need cream cheese, ricotta, yogurt, some provolone slices, some garlic, some fresh asparagus, pickles, some chicken thighs, salt and pepper, and fresh rosemary and ghee or butter. Now let's prep the chicken. You are going to need saran wrap and a tenderizer. Now go ahead and tenderize from both sides and be careful so that you can avoid breakouts. Now for the filling, go ahead and mix the cream cheese, the ricotta, and the yogurt. Mince or shred the garlic. Now for the first option, grab a chicken thigh, take some of the cream filling and spread it on top. Now go ahead, add a pickle and an asparagus, and you are most likely going to need to cut the asparagus in order to fit in the roll. Add some garlic. And now roll the thigh and use toothpicks to put it together. Now it might be slippery, so you need to be careful and hold really still. Now make sure that the toothpicks are holding the roll together. Now option 2 is very identical to option 1. The only difference is that to option 2 you are going to add a slice of provolone cheese to the roll. Now to a pan add a teaspoon of ghee or butter and some fresh rosemary. And as soon as the butter, the ghee or the oil, whichever you prefer to use, is heated up and is hot enough, go ahead and stir the rolls from both sides, approximately 30 seconds per side. Now make sure to flip the rolls so that the toothpicks are facing upwards. Now cover with foil and then bake for 30 to 40 minutes. And here are the ready chicken rolls. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please let me know in the comments if you tried the recipe and if you enjoy it. So if you want to see more cooking videos on my channel, give this video a thumbs up. That really helps for the algorithm to recommend it so that more people can watch it. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!